How to request a Western Union money order refund. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to request a refund for a Western Union money order. If you need to cancel a money order or get your money back, follow these steps. Let's get started. First of all, gather your information. So before you request a refund, make sure you have all necessary information on hand. This includes your money order receipt, the money order number, the purchase date, and the amount, in addition to some personal information. Now, visit the Western Union website and go to the customer support section, and here you'll find resources for money order inquiries. You can request a refund online or by phone. So to request online, look for the option to fill out a refund request form. Provide the required details, including your contract information and the money order information you gathered earlier. If you prefer to call, dial Western Union's customer service at 1-800-325-6000. Follow the prompts to speak with a representative and request your fund. After resubmitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Western Union regarding your refund status. It can take some time to process, so be a little patient. And that's it. You now know how to request a refund for a Western Union money order. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.